Hey guys, how we doing today? My name is Ty Young, Coastal Carolina University. Hope you guys are doing well. This is a little bit about myself from Florence, South Carolina. I graduated from Timminsville High School in 2014. Came to Coastal in 2014, and I started out as a computer engineer major. Realized that that's not something that I wanted to do for the rest of my life, and I changed my major to recreation and sports management, and it was probably one of the best decisions I ever made. I graduated in December of 2018, and this leads me to the story of how I became who I am at during that time. My sophomore year, I became a student assistant working with the football team. I started out as an equipment manager, and the equipment manager was probably an eye-opening experience. Um, After that year, I was able to move up and start coaching running backs as a student assistant. My third year, I was able to rotate through and start receivers and special teams as a student assistant. Um, After I graduated, I was able to work with the football team after I graduated as a defensive analyst on the defensive side of the ball. And today, I am a defensive graduate assistant, uh, something that I work hard for and I take pride of. In my career, I hope to be a full-time college football coach, and that's my goal right now, and that's what I'm striving for. Uh, a 21st century leader, what I believe what makes a great leader is a person who has confidence in themselves and instills confidence in their team, and also a motivator, a person who can stay motivated day in and day out, no matter what the circumstances is, and a person who can also motivate their team as well, because sometimes you don't want to get up and you don't want to do certain things, but a great leader always motivates that person or that team to strive to be great, do great. A person who's relatable to other people. Not everyone you can talk to the same way, so you have to be able to relate to different types of people from different backgrounds on your team. And the last thing but not least, probably one of the most important things on this list, is a hard worker. You can't get it anywhere in life without working hard. And if your team sees you working hard, they're going to want to follow behind you. And that's me.